Hello guys, how are you doing? It is after midnight, if you can tell. It is 12:31 a.m. All right, I'm gonna put this up. What the heck? There we go. Oh wow, literally. Yeah, because this whole time this phone has been on below 1/5 of battery. And here's another method in which still works. Well, that's much easier. I don't know, make myself some tea. But yeah, it's a benefit for ZAG associated devices, since it does come with a C-type charger which you can place in your Samsung laptop. And this method, you won't encounter any trouble. You won't get this message from your iPhone saying, trust this computer in the charging process. Because the other way, by placing the USB stick on the right part of the laptop, well, it depends on how your laptop is structured, and you charge your phone that way, then you may be getting this message over and over again, trust this laptop. Crazy, but we've had some major internet shortages in the last few hours. I was going to make some calls, and oh god, that tea is still hot. That's right. It is the next day now. It is slowly getting overcast, and yeah, what a crazy situation down there. Absolutely insane. It is crazy, but yeah, because of what's going on here, the entire road here is blocked. Well, that's the thing. It's all the building work, and as of now, they are still working on the entrance floor of the installation process. And also in the street where you got the Bellevue residential area on one side, on the other side, already plenty of work has been done on the new Twin Towers, but there is another building that, as of now, they've installed 15 floors of the residential area. It's not one of those streets that you would expect crowded traffic during working hours, but it could likely change once the project is complete. But again, the vehicle traffic usually happens to be mild on that street. Well, you never know. Yes, it is very windy out here today. You can tell it is rough outside. The wind is rough. We've got gusts of over 15 miles an hour from the southwest. That's what makes it a mild day out. Hey dude, what have you been up to here? Yeah, so for several hours I've had very slow internet, and you know, when people try to call me a lot, and at times I'm likely to miss it, so they can get a whole lot messed up. It's freaking windy out, but at the end of the day, we are all people doing what we can. So at the end of yesterday also, I was reading about this new foldable iPhone. Oh my, this dude is freaking wild up here, oh my god. Okay, for now he's calm, but every other, there we go. Every other moment he just goes nuts. What the heck? Good god. Well, I knew he's curious. I know he's curious. Okay, well, he just got down. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna get back on topic here. So there's this foldable iPhone, right? That is to start being used with the release of the iPhone 18. There's rumors that some guy who got sued by Apple a while ago was the one that leaked the foldable iPhones. Like, if it's true, I would like to know more about it. But it was leaked like 5 or 6 days ago, and they are taking the step to do
Samsung did with the Galaxy Z release. Well, it's just a rumor behind the idea of the foldable iPhones. Would I even get a foldable phone? I feel like I'm watching an episode of Mickey Mouse to even think that. And crazy thing, I just found out that this part of my glasses had come off. I don't know what made it like that, but yeah. Oh, yo. If I can put this back together. Okay, maybe this would be the better way, but you know what? I'm gonna try this. All right, looks like it. Oh my God. What the heck? Oh, there we go. All right. Now it works. Well, good thing it worked. It was just this face of the glasses that had come off. That was simple. A nice quick fix. Now I've come all the way here, and what a transition in the weather. It is raining. Unbelievable. It is raining quite fast outside. Earlier today, we had a lot of wind. Now it is off to a downpour. Wow. Look at that. Well, this is just great. You see some bits of ice in the shape of a heart. I like this. Hey.
Yavaş yapacağız, tamam mı?
Cheers.
Bardaklar
Hey.
Kesilecek gibi de. Wow, I'm going not so bad. Evet.
Pasta gibi.
Evet.
Acaba kestane.
Hi. My God. Just going crazy already. Hi. Wow. Yeah. Just going these nuts. Like these nuts. Is it playtime? Or is it? So yeah. Just left the house of Hussein. It is 10:06 p.m. So that just about wraps it up for this Tuesday evening. It is still pouring outside. It has been precipitating for the last 3 hours. So I've been waiting for quite long for this video to be uploaded on my gaming channel. It's a reaction video that I did, but it's almost there. It's currently at 97%. So this was a good day to visit Hussein and Cezanne. We had dinner and we had, well, what is supposed to look like cake, but no, it is not cake. It is a Christmas tree made out of cookie. And we played around for some part. We played hide and seek around the house. We've played about 10 to 15 minutes of hide and seek, and we've played another game or two. But yeah, it was a fun night. We did cheers. Drank some champagne, had the cookie, and it's gonna bring all of us in it, even Chick, even though she's only 3 years old. So my video have finally got uploaded. Goodness, I don't know what it is going like. Yeah, you guys hear this? It must be the rain that's... Yeah, I don't know, but sometimes it gets so loud that it makes me run out of words, but most certainly, whoa. My goodness, I didn't even expect that, by the way. That was a lightning bolt that flashed up into the sky, and for a fraction of a second turned night into day. Like, it has been pouring for a few hours. The temperature's dropping by 1 degree every 20 to 30 minutes. It has been a mild day today, even with all that wind. So I got told by Hussein that they're going to be out of here for pretty much the rest of this week, as they are going to be traveling. And tomorrow I am going to do a lot of work on my gaming channel. It's going to be a super busy one, which I don't know, I think I'm still going to be fine with that. And I'm out driving also. Yeah, just when I say that, like, there are certain situations as well that people deliberately avoid the stop sign, which I've encountered once in the recent times. And I just saw a picture on the media where one guy wrote a graffiti saying stupid, well, on the window, because that driver parked in the middle of the road illegally. What a way to outsmart that driver, because at the end of the day, it's fault. And I'm that kind of guy that 97% of the time I'm against the idea of getting angry over things that would bother me. But a significant part of the 3% is when I'm out in the traffic and somebody does anything to put my life under risk without even giving 1/10 of a crap. That just baffles the heck out of me. Anyway, guys, so that does it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do leave a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.